Okay, they for guessing the movie quote. We get a shout out to.
We're going to give our shout out. We thank y'all for guessing our movie quote. What was the movie?
White Chicks.
White Chicks. We're going to give our shout out to Mrs. Celia Wiley Williams and Steph A. Thank you guys for supporting us and coming subscribing, liking,
and ring the bell.
And ringing that bell for our channel. Deuces. Now enjoy the video.
Did you know that I can see you?
And I'm Deuce, aka Fanny the Second, and this is my mom.
Okay, and we're the Deuce Crew. Okay, today we got a very delicious recipe for you today. Tell them what we're doing.
We bring a delicious breakfast.
Breakfast.
What is going on here?
Breakfast! Yes, what are we making? What are we making?
Eggs,
steak, toast,
rice with butter,
rice with butter,
sugar.
Butter and sugar. And some people like salt and black pepper.
And some people have salt, black pepper on scrambled eggs.
And some people like black pepper on their scrambled eggs as well. So, man, are you ready?
Are you ready? I was born ready. How about you?
I'm ready. Are you guys ready?
I'm ready, friend. Let's do it, Bobby.
Okay, then. Let's get cooking.
Yes.
Right, so if you all are new to our channel, Frederick has certain allergies. And with those allergies, I have to crack the eggs. Now, if Fred is cracking eggs, he will be using
gloves.
He'll be using or wearing gloves. And so I will be doing the eggs today. And Frederick will be doing starting off with the what?
The bacon.
The bacon. Okay, we'll be right back with you.
Yeah. So get started with the eggs.
Yes, I'm gonna get started with the eggs. Okay, that wasn't a good break. So we're gonna take those out. And I'm gonna have to start over again. So in our house, what do we say about mistakes? Mistakes what?
Happen if you
Mistakes
lucky.
happens.
If you're lucky.
So if you're lucky. So in our household, mistakes happens because with the autism, it's always times where things don't go right, or Frederick might do things that whatever the world might not consider the right way. And so with that being said, our rule is, again, I am going to get a towel, wipe my hands so that
And then you're going to put the egg on the
yes. But I want you to continue doing that. You're looking good. I love it. Keep on. Check you out. Yes. Good. Yes. I like it. Keep on. Yes. Now I'm going to add cheese to our eggs because I love cheesy eggs.
Some people love cheese on their eggs.
I love cheesy eggs. I love cheesy eggs. I love cheesy eggs.
And Mrs.
Cheesy eggs.
And Mrs. CJ.
Yes, we love cheesy eggs. Yes, yes. And guess what? The Deuce Crew loves cheesy eggs as well.
Don't have to do it again.
Yep, look at you. I love it. That looks good. Hey, y'all gotta see this. Can y'all see the bacon in the pan? Can y'all see it? Oh, look, look, look. He did such an amazing job. Yes. Just don't overlap. Spread it out. Spread them out so they don't touch each other. Yep, spread them out. Watch your hands. Watch your hands. Alrighty. Okay, close the door and make sure you close it gently. Don't slam it.
Okay, I'm gonna get started with the rice while my mom gets started on that grits.
Okay. Yeah, I'm getting the pot for the grits. Okay, good. Let me see. Yep. That's good. So I'm going over here and I'm gonna do the grits.
I'm gonna wait till my water boil, guys. Okay.
And so once the water boils, then what do we do?
We get our good. You get your good. I get my whites.
You're gonna add them to the
Pot.
You gotta say that.
We're gonna add the whites and grits to the pot.
There you go. Good job. So once our water boils, then we're gonna add he's gonna do the rice, I'm gonna do the grits, and we're gonna add them to the pot. And then what are we doing after that?
And then we're gonna get our toast.
And then we're gonna do our toast. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I'm so hungry, y'all. Y'all have no idea. I am so hungry. It's like I wake up hungry. I don't know what's that about. I wake up hungry. You wake up hungry? No.
I always get up on time to eat.
And as soon as you get up, do you eat?
Yeah.
See, he's just like me. Every time we get up, it's like I have to eat. I gotta know what I'm having for breakfast, and so I can have it prepared. All right, so we're waiting on the water to boil, and we'll be right back at you.
Yeah. We'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna put the whites in my bowl, in my pan, my pot, and Mom's gonna put her
doing the grits. Make sure you stir. You got it?
Oh, and then fuck that thing.
You say put your all right, now go ahead.
Hey, what is going on?
Okay, wait. Let me add a little bit more grits to my pot, and then let me see, real quickly. We're gonna open this up. Hold on to the box. All right, now pour. Good. There you go. Always leave a little room. Yeah, there you go.
That's it? Oh, good.
Yep. Make sure you stir.
Okay.
Because now our water came into a boil. So once our water came into a boil, we began to add what? What do we add? Our rice and our grits. I'm going to add a little bit more to Frederick's pot because there's quite a few people in the Deuce crew. And we some hungry people. We are really hungry this morning. So we're going to add a little bit more.
You better hold your pan.
I got it.
Your hand there.
I got my handle. You almost don't have to hold your handle if you don't want to. You don't have to, but if you want to hold it, you can. It's up to you. Do you want to hold it?
What about you? You gonna hold
Okay,
it?
don't hold close down. Hold it more so at the tip. You got it?
Yes.
Okay, turn it this way. Okay, there you go.
We got it? Make sure.
All right.
Make sure you don't splash.
So while my grits are,
You say while your grits are
because now that they're
done,
boiled and all they got to do is sit and simmer, I'm gonna add the eggs.
okay. My wife just take it away. So.
Here you go.
Okay, people, we already done. We already made our delicious food.
I can't wait.
Our biscuits,
Yes.
our toast,
Yes.
scrambled eggs, bacon, rice and grits.
Rice
Plus we
and
got
grits.
plus butter and rice and grits.
Yes. So now we're about to make our plates. But before we leave,
Don't forget to like,
comment,
subscribe,
subscribe,
share, and ring
share,
the bell.
and boom, ring that bell, ring that bell, ring that
And
bell.
come back.
And come on back and join us as we make
make
more delicious recipes. Ooh, I cannot wait for it.
And
Let's
that
go.
quote, remember?
Okay. Oh, and don't forget our quote for the day, our movie quote for the day.
You should be in Buster Line. If someone ever figured that quote from the movie, you'll be on the next video.
No, comment down below
Yeah.
and we'll give you a shout out on the next video. So I'm gonna re-say the quote. The quote is, as the king's brother, you should have been first in line. If you know what movie that came from, comment down below. We're gonna give you a shout out on our next video. No, Auntie Tina, you cannot guess, Auntie Tina.
Okay.
You can't guess.
You ready?
Thank y'all. Deuces.